Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel PKMS Max Lectures. And in this video I am going to discuss the solutions to the 4 homework questions given in the previous lecture logarithms. And let's go into the first question. This is the first question. The question is, if 1 by log a to the base 2 plus 1 by log a to the base 4 plus 1 by log a to the base 8 plus and so on up to n terms is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2k, then the value of k is. That means we should find the value of k. See here students, the given equation is 1 by log a base 2 plus 1 by log a base 4 plus 1 by log a base 8 plus and so on to n terms is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2k. That is, we can write this in 1 by log a base 2 can be written as log 2 to the base a plus 1 by log a to the base 4 can be written as log 4 to the base a plus 1 by log a to the base 8 can be written as log 8 to the base a plus and so on, plus the nth term will be 1 by log a to the base a power n 2 power n. That means we can write this as plus log 2 power n base a, that is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2k. See students, here log 2 base a plus 4 can be written as log 2 square to the base a plus 8 can be written as log 2 cube to the base a plus and so on, plus log 2 power n can be written as same log 2 power n to the base a, that is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2k. Bringing this 2 to the front, that is log 2 to the base a plus 2 log 2 to the base a plus 3 log 2 to the base a plus and so on, plus n log 2 to the base a, that is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2k. Taking log 2 to the base a common, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on to n terms is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2k. Log 2 to the base a, we know that sum of n terms is n of n plus 1 by 2k. Sum of first, no 2k, no k, that is n of n plus 1 by 2. We know that sum of first n numbers, that is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2k. N of n plus 1 by 2 gets cancelled, that is k is equal to 1 by log 2 to the base a, that can be written as log a to the base 2. K is 1 by log a to the base 2, that is option C. Have a look students. See students, this is the second question and the solution to the second question is, the given question is if y is equal to 10 power log x by x square and x is equal to y power a, then find the value of a. First, the given equation is y is equal to 10 power log x by x square. We should find the value of a. Multiply this x square with x, that is y x square will be equal to 10 power log x. Adding log 10 on both sides, we get log y x square to the base 10 is equal to log 10 power log x to the base 10. That is, we get log y base 10 plus log x square base 10 is equal to log x into log 10 base 10. That is equal to, this can be written as log y to the base 10 plus 2 log x to the base 10 is equal to log x to the base 10. Log 10 base 10 is simply 1. Log y base 10 plus, bringing this to left hand side, we get 2 log x base 10 minus log x base 10, that is log x to the base 10 is equal to 0. This can be written as log y x to the base 10 is equal to 0. When the value is 0, we have only one condition, that is y x should be is equal to 1. We already have x is equal to y power a, that is y into y power a is equal to 1. Y power a plus 1 is equal to 1. Y power what will be is equal to 1 of anything power, that is 0. That means a plus 1 should be is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 1. See, the options are not in the numericals, that is we should substitute and try. Taking the first option, 1 by log 10 minus 2, that is 1 by log 10 to the base 10 minus 2, that is 1 by log 10 base 10 is 1 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 minus 1, that value is minus 1. A is equal to minus 1, this value is also minus 1, that is the answer is 1 by log 10 minus base 2. Once have a look, students. See students, this is the third question. Let's do it. The question is, if log 2a minus 3b is equal to log a minus log b, then the value of a is, we should find the value of a. The given equation is log 2a minus 3b is equal to log a minus log b. We know that formula. Did you remember? Log x minus log y is equal to log x by y. That is equal to, we can write log of a by b. Log m is equal to log n, that is m is equal to n. That means 2a minus 3b is equal to a by b. Log m is equal to log n, that implies m is equal to n. Multiplying b on left hand side, 2ab minus 3b square is equal to a. We should find the value of a. Bringing a to this left hand side and 3b square to the right hand side, we get 2a minus b. 2ab minus a is equal to 3b square. Taking a common, we get 2b minus 1 is equal to 3b square. A is equal to 3b square by 2b minus 1. Simply this is the answer, 3b square by 2b minus 1. The option is C. Have a look, students. See students, this is the fourth homework question and this is the last homework question also. The question is, if a square plus 4b square is equal to 12ab, then log of a plus 2b is equal to. The given equation is a square plus 4b square is equal to 12ab. We should find the value of log of a plus 2b. A square plus 4b square plus adding 4ab on both sides is equal to 12ab plus 4ab. We get it as 16ab. This is a square plus 2b whole square plus 2 into a into 2b. That is a plus 2b whole square is equal to 16ab. Applying log on both sides, we get log a plus 2b whole square is equal to log 16ab. Bringing these two to the front side, we get 2 log of a plus 2b is equal to, we can write this as log 16 plus log a plus log b. Log 16 can be written as log 2 power 4 plus log a plus log b. This can be written as 4 log 2 plus log a plus log b. This is equal to log 2 log of a plus 2b. A plus 2b. Log of a plus 2b is equal to half of 4 log 2 plus log a plus log b. This is half of log a plus log b plus 4 log 2. The correct answer is option 2. Thank you students for viewing my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video and share to the people who are weak and interested in mathematics. Thank you friends. Comment your valuable feedback in the comment section. Bye friends.